Attract someone to be absolutely addicted to you, to commit to you, using the power of the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you absolutely depend upon. Hey, I want to remind you to visit our website, lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. It's absolutely free. Find out what a mentoring program can do for you. We've helped people in 60 different countries. Okay, here we are. Attract someone to be absolutely addicted to, just like glue, addicted to you, to commit to you, someone specific that maybe isn't committing right now. You have that power to manifest a specific person to commit to you using the power of the law of attraction. So high flyers, our beliefs determine exactly what we manifest and how fast we manifest it. Isn't it funny that some people manifest, fast, and other people are slow? It takes them longer to manifest because their beliefs are kind of dragging them behind. It's the same thing with getting somebody addicted to you, to commit to you in a relationship, someone specific. If you believe in the back of your mind that it's easy, it's going to be easy. And if you believe it's difficult, it's going to be difficult. Whatever you believe is what the universe is going to match you with, and that is exactly what you're going to manifest. High flyers, I understand your friends, your family, people you know are telling you, let it go, give it up, go somewhere else. But listen, you have somebody that you're interested in, someone specific. If you focus on worry, if you focus on doubt, if you focus on anxiety and uncertainty, then it's for certain that's exactly what you're going to attract. So one of the things you might want to do is stop listening to naysayers, to outside people. They're going to give you negative advice that says you can't have what you deeply desire. I believe that you can. I believe the law of attraction gives you that power. So high flyers, you're moving from worry and doubt and fear and all of these other negative emotions to what I like to call, write this down, detached certainty. Detached certainty. You're absolutely certain. You're so certain that you're detached. And as you detach, all of those worries and fears and doubts, they kind of fade away. And your self-esteem goes up. Your confidence rises. You become more magnetic. You become more attractive. And you begin attracting exactly the specific person you desire. But you do more than attract that specific person. Guess what, high flyers? You do more than attract them. You literally magnetize them to you. They become addicted to you. That's the power of the law of attraction. So it makes perfect sense to increase your focus not outward on them, but inward on yourself, on self-love, loving yourself. And what does that do? I'm getting excited about this because when you love yourself, you increase your magnetic vortex and you begin sending out positive energy. You begin sending out magnetic energy into the infinite field of potential. And what happens, that person that you're focused on, the person of your intention, becomes magnetized to you. It's phenomenal. But you have to have positive thoughts. You need to be filled with gratitude. You have to have a love for your body. Get your body moving again. And whatever you've done in the past, whatever shortcomings you've had, forgive yourself. This is a new day. This is a new time. You are attracting the one that you desire, and they're becoming absolutely addicted to you. So high flyers, one of the things I think is absolutely essential is to just let go of your past. Okay, you may have a past that is absolutely horrible. You don't want anybody to know about it. Or you may have a past where you have a lot of failure, or at least you feel like you have failure. Sit down and rewrite your history. Rewrite your story. Take the things that happened in your past that were a struggle, that were a challenge, and re-look at them as a lesson that has helped you change your life. As you reinvent yourself, you magnetize yourself. I think so many people in life, they said their career was done. Their relationships were done. Everything was over. You know, I had somebody tell me many years ago, probably 10 years ago, 10 or 11 years ago, Robert, your best years are behind you now. They were full of BS. My best years haven't even happened yet. And it keeps going that way because that's my new belief, because I have rewritten my story. And you can rewrite your story as well. Well, high flyers, beautiful souls, you have to absolutely have clear intentions. Oh, this is so essential. Look, it's impossible to attract anything unless you have clear, concise intentions. You have to know what it is that you deeply desire. What do you want to feel in your heart, in your body, in your energy field? Clear, concise intentions, and you write them down, and you think about them, and you meditate on them, and you attract them. So high flyers, one of the fastest ways to raise your vibrational frequency, which is absolutely essential to attract the person that you desire, to get them absolutely addicted to you, is to release neediness. Just release it. Let it go. Understand that you are perfect, that God creates nothing imperfect, and you are perfect. The universe has created you in perfection. And yet you have the ability to rise higher and higher, to greater and greater perfection. It's a paradox. It's impossible to understand, but you are worthy. And so this whole notion of neediness and calling somebody and chasing somebody and hunting somebody and stalking someone and all of that is counter. It puts out a negative vortex and literally helps you detach in a negative way from the person that you wish to attach to and have them attached to you. So you want to give that up and focus on you and your worthiness. Say it right now. I am worthy of the love that I desire. Well, high flyers, there are so many powerful techniques out on the internet. And if you go through our channel, we've got all kinds of different techniques that you can use that will help you. But one of my favorites is pillow talk. You get one of those body pillows, and you hug that pillow and visualize that you are hugging the person that you love. And you talk to them in present tense. And you just say calming words like, we are together. We're happy. We have a whole life together. We enjoy each other. We are creating together. It just feels good to fall asleep talking to them. Now, here's the nice thing. It changes your subconscious mind, but it also vibrates and resonates in their subconscious and in their energy field. And they start to feel that vibration and feel that energy. It's absolutely phenomenal. So do that every night. Fall asleep in their arms or have them in your arms, so to speak. You can get a body pillow or any kind of a pillow, and you can do this sleep talk every single night. Finally, fractionation. I believe whatever exercises you are doing, whatever attention you are giving to the person that is going to soon be absolutely addicted to you, you have to give them attention, give them energy in your mind. You have to focus on them, and then you got to cut it loose. Let it fly. And then come back and give them more attention, and then cut it loose. That's called fractionation. So rather than do your affirmations and your visualization and your sleep talk and your meditation 7 days a week, why not do it 5 days a week? And then relax from it. Go out with your friends, go out for a walk, do some extra yoga, go hiking, do whatever is important to you, but just leave your exercises alone. Stop doing everything. Stop it. Detach. Let it go. And then come back on Monday and start again. Or pick any 2 days of the week that you wish to back off of. But that fractionation allows you to come back fresh with new energy, with new enthusiasm, with new excitement. And that magnetizes you to the universe. And that's important because that universe, oh yeah, it acts as a big giant mirror reflecting back to you exactly what you desire and you deserve. Now here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.